There's one right there. Look, Emily. There's one right there. Get it. There's two of them.
John, I make two a little harder.
Just have to work for him.
Hey, big girl. Oh. She totally just posed for a picture for me. And she walked right past me.
Big egg there.
That's a big one, Emily. Come put it in your basket.
Oh, she's shaking.
Look.
Sarah. She picked them up.
Yeah. Go put it in your basket.
Put it over here. There's one right there. Look at that blue one. Oh, his shoes
You
are...
got stuff in your shoes? I know. I didn't know if you do good with those shoes today. It's okay. You're fine. Go get some more eggs.
There's one. There's one.
Look down.
Emily, I saw an hiney sticking out and you bent over.
See if there's money in them.
Look, there's another one over here.
It's too much work. There you go. Yeah, there's another one, a blue. Go get the blue one.
That one is cute. How you gonna show that one on that running board? How you?
Come put it in your basket.
Or
Hey.
throw it at me.
John, he can have that one.
Come put it in your
Emily, look up. Or walk away. You going the wrong way, Emily? No, Emily.
No, man.
Emily, come over here. Okay, I'll go get it.
Come, you put him. Yeah, you're right.
Here you go.
Go put it in your basket.
Go put it in the basket.
No, put it in your basket. That evil face she just made.
John, show that one on the truck now.
See if she can get them.
Emily, what you got in your basket?
Emily, what are those?
Whoops. She's just pushing them off the running board.
Put them in your basket.
She just pushed them off and let them hit the ground.
I don't think she quite understands what he's saying, huh?
She's doing pretty good now.
Yeah, there you go. One more. There you go. What's that big one over there? You see that big one? Go get him.
Oh, you look sleepy. Here, put it right here. And get the other one? He's getting tired, huh?
All this work.
What? She's looking a little tired.
Just a little bit.
Put them a little closer together.
Oh, she got where's she doing that?
Just looking at it.
Trying to open it. Are you filming it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Whoa, look, one just jumped out of nowhere.
Get it.
Emily. Cheese.
Oh, wow, it's a more eggs out here.
She's posing.
Thank you.
She can pick his eyeballs out.
Put him in your basket.
Or throw it.
Here, Mommy will put it in your basket. Pick up the rest of them, put them in your basket. Put in your basket, we'll open them inside.
There you go. Good job.
Shake it. You're a keeper. That's
Emily, wow. You got a whole basket full. You brought a big basket.
There's one more. Get the last one.
One last one. There you go. Oh, I forget you.
Yay!
Good job, Emily.
Good girl. That's it. They're all gone.
Uh-huh.
And that's good because your basket's full.
Yeah.
Hey, it got the right number of eggs for the basket in it.
No. We're not going to play this game over again. You ready?
Ooh, you gonna eat some of them?
Here you go.
Oh, wow, looky.
I don't actually eat
You
it.
can eat, sweetheart. There you go. Oh, good. Judy, you missed the Easter egg hunt. I see you missed the Easter egg hunt.
Oh, there's mosquitoes out.
Maybe it's about to rain.
Okay, John, you want to put the order in the